I've had a lot of people ask me if they are too old to join a gym. The answer to that is no. Never, ever, ever are you too old to join a gym. In fact, the older you are, the more important it is for you to stay active and join a gym. So I've created a list here of the different things that you can do in gyms later in life and the different reasons why people join gyms later in life. So number one is to take part in low intensity gym classes. So that's things such as stretch classes, mind classes, chair yoga classes. So as you get older, it's very easy to lose muscle mass, to lose bone density, a reduction in the stabilizer muscles, which leads to things like trips and falls and degenerative conditions. The way you can combat that is to go to gym classes. So they're specifically designed for the older generation to maintain that activity, and with that activity maintenance, you are going to maintain your muscles, your bones, maintain that flexibility to keep those illnesses at bay. Another reason is just to stay active in general after retirement. So if you've been working the 9-5 for years and years and years, and then you retire and suddenly you just stop and you're not doing anything anymore, there's a lot of statistics out there that show once people hit retirement, their health can really start to decline, and it's because they've just had such a dramatic drop off in activity. What you need to do is maintain those fitness levels so that you don't degrade. So yeah, a lot of people join gyms just to maintain that fitness. They're not doing anything massive, they're not trying to become superheroes, they're just there for maintaining their health and fitness. Another reason why older people join gyms is because of health scares. Now obviously, please speak to a doctor first to make sure that it is safe for you to join a gym. But health scares can often be a reason to really kickstart someone's interest in joining a gym, to rebuild their health. In addition to that, mental health reasons is a really good reason why older generations join the gym. So if you're retired, you may not be getting that social interaction anymore. If you're living alone, or if you don't have a big family network around you, joining a gym can help you find that sense of belonging, that sense of community, especially if you join classes and there are people of your same generation. Everyone loves talking about the music when they grew up. Everyone loves talking about the films and TV shows that were around when they grew up. You can find like-minded people, build friendships, and it can be just give you this really nice feeling to be part of something, boost those endorphins, boost those serotonins. What you need to do is just make sure that you are looking after yourself, so later in life your body may not bounce back as quickly as it used to. So make sure you are doing a good warm-up, even if it is just a 10-minute walk on a treadmill, just to make sure that your body is ready, and make sure that you do a good cool down as well, which can also be just a walk on a treadmill to ease the body down again. If you found this content really interesting, if you found it helpful or encouraging, or if you are that person that has joined a gym later in life, please let us know how that has transformed your life. We're all one community, we're all here to grow and learn, so let's support each other. Also, subscribe.